Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Excel, for a cell to be considered a numeric entry, it can only contain digits and decimals. There can be no text in numeric entries. Ideally, you should enter numbers in a plain and raw format, that is, without any formatting like dollar signs. A helpful tip is just enter the digits and decimals. All number signs, commas, and other numeric formatting can be added later when you format the cells. This relates back to the concept of cell content versus cell display from the previous lesson. In this case, you don't want commas and other punctuation possibly being misplaced when data entry occurs. For example, a comma placed into the wrong position within a string of numbers makes Excel think that the cell contains a text entry instead of a number. Obviously, that can be very problematic and can often interfere with numeric calculations. Note that you can type a minus sign in front of a number to designate a negative value during data entry. However, you should save any advanced formatting of negative values for later when you apply formatting to the cells in your worksheet. Numeric cell entries also have some additional issues with the concept of cell content versus cell display. In the same way that Excel will truncate long text entries, Excel also often turns the display of long numeric entries into pound signs, or if extremely long, they may instead become expressed in scientific notation. This stems from the same problem noted with long text entries. In this case, the numeric entry is simply too long to display correctly within the column. If the number appears as pound signs, you can simply widen the column to fix the cell's display. If the display turns into scientific notation, however, you cannot fix its display by simply widening the column. In this case, you must select the cell and force a new number formatting. For example, you could click the comma style button in the number button group on the home tab of the ribbon to add thousands separators to the value and force the display of the cell out of its default scientific notation display. At that time, however, it may just then appear as the pound sign display. If that is the case, then you can fix the display by resizing the column within which you typed the long number entry.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.